Hello, welcome to Power the Cards. This time I'll be prismatic elevate. I'm not sure how do you say the last one, but it's prismatic eclipse, I think is, or something, and and is a cool card, and you might will get like one of these three um that came in into one of these boxes that I opened. Okay. Now I did that. Okay, now let's start opening to see what I get in these packs. I open. I'm hoping to get a fly uh the fire EV or the pink and white EV. The Flareon EV or the Flareon or what's the other one? The regular EV is good though as well. Um, Let me see if I have. Think I don't have the picture of that pink and white EV that always says love and stuff. Here's the code. And I get this thing lightning. Dang it. Okay, now let's get to it. Oh, I see something that might be shiny or something, or it could be one that's that's I don't know what those things called though. Yeah, you can use this as like a class. You can like say, what does this spell, or what does it say, or what does this do, and thingy. It's not a Pokemon thingy. I mean a Pokemon ball and stuff. That's what I was. Whoa. Yeah, I think this one is new. That I don't have. Iron Hands. I think that's Iron Hands. Yeah, I think that's Iron Hands. And the other two is Hoot Hoot and Leafeon. And two, one's the rare one is not the rare one, but the thing is, I was hoping to get one that's a rare pink or a rare Flareon. Because I'm just trying to make an Eevee deck, so I think I need to get two pink ones or two red ones. One the other. Okay. So I had an itch. Yeah, some people get itches on their heads. I had an itch on my head. And the energy, I guess, is grass. Dang it, dirt. Yeah, that's why. That's why I like to discuss the energies. I don't really do what breaking Breaking Nate does. He like when he uses the energy and flows it. I don't do the energy or the birds have to fly or anything like that. I think that's not very useful because you have to pick it up right after and stuff. And it kinda is like very boring when you really think about it and stuff. Okay, these are my real ones. Goldeen and Florian. I think this is a copy of it. And a refund. This one is my a card that shows everything. Golden and Leafeon. Leafeon is a card that I got last time. And it feels like I should make like a Leafeon deck. But I didn't want to make a Leafeon deck. I want to make like an EV deck. and mostly some of the rare EV, some of the rare EV evolution or something like that. Yeah, and I'm glad that I said that one guy that I saw at the GameStop. He was those two guys were pretty awesome. Were pretty awesome people that I met. I just physically met, but think I forgot the energy and the go-kart. Whoops. This time I forgot to do it. Goldine and Professor Churros and Wing and Glaceon. Okay, if you like this, give it a like, and if you haven't hit the subscribe button and hit the bell that notifies you any more videos coming out, and can hit the bell that can you turn the bell on so that you can get notified if I got any more videos coming out, and can you please share this to your friends, your family, or anyone that you know and stuff. And let's do that together. Peace, love, and will.